What's up, guys? TK's Garage, and I owed you guys a couple different updates. I want to talk about some of the things that were going on the channel, specifically the Chevy Equinox. If you guys have been hounding me. I've been getting DMs. How much did you sell it for? How much did you end up making? If you guys didn't remember, that Chevy Equinox was a flood car, which had very minimal stuff on the side skirts, like along the door and the bottom panel. Didn't even fix any of that, sold it the way it was. Replaced one little module, which was under the passenger seat carpet, and everything else in the car worked just fine. Net profit after taxes, because you have to pay your taxes on things like this. And if you have a business, I'm not going to give you financial advice, but if you have a business, you probably should pay quarterly. It's better than having to write that fat check at the end of the year. So anyways, net profit after everything, you know, we're going to do a breakdown. I'll do a video where I can show you what the gross was next to the net. The net does not look as good as the gross. But the net profit on that Chevy Equinox was right a little bit over 7,000 and some change. Not a bad profit for basically having a vehicle for less than 30 days, driving it around, getting to use it, do what I want with it, and then turn around and selling it. Pretty good pickup, pretty good profit, pretty good sale. If you guys have been following over on Instagram at TK's Garage, you guys have probably seen a couple other projects. I know some of you guys are asking about the Civic, which we'll get into that, and because that car's not going to get repaired. We're actually going to break that down. So we're going to actually sell that car for parts. There's a lot of parts on that car that will probably bring between $2,500 to $3,000 in just parts on that Civic, believe it or not. And that's with the front end being completely effed. So, you know, being burned out. Also, we have the Chrysler Aspen. Now we had a donor vehicle, which is what you guys will get to see here in an upcoming video. Maybe I'll shoot it for you guys today if you guys want to see that. So maybe we'll do 2 videos today. I know, shocking, 2 videos in a day. But this car basically just needs some basic components up front. There was nothing wrong with it when it was used as the donor vehicle. So we're going to put it back together and then probably sell that too. And I can give you an example of how much it would cost to replace like your front end panels and things like this on a Chrysler Aspen. Perfectly good Hemi motor, all of that, you know. So stay tuned for that. The Audi, you guys have been asking me how that car has been. It's been great. No issues with that car really at all, outside of having to replace the tires on the rear. 6,000 plus miles in, love the car. So just wanted to give you guys just a brief channel update. I have some Copart videos coming for you guys here really soon, and we have some updates and modifications coming for the Audi real soon as well. And hopefully, if Caliber gets done with this A7, or I get it back, because that's a whole nother, I can't wait to do a video on that. It's not Caliber's fault, it's whoever supplied them the parts fault. I want to do a video for you guys on this A7. So anyways, with that said, thank you guys very much for tuning in today. Questions, comments, let me know. Hit me in the comment section down below, and I'll try to address those questions and comments for you. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you on the next one.